Hello, my cute Aseel. Desi Aseel Murga. How are you? This Desi Aseel Murga is taking the breath, breathing breath out. It's just amazing. Not only this black Aseel is the biggest Aseel. The marvelous beauty. This Aseel has powerful jaws and nails. The best thing about this Aseel is his eyes. This Aseel Murga has stunning eye, amazing eye. Therefore, this is the biggest black Aseel in Pakistani birds market. The price tag for this black Aseel Murga is 6,000 rupees. This black Aseel has strong feathers, sharp intelligent eye, sharp, quick beak, and the most powerful paws. Yellow eyes of this black Aseel is just stunning. What a beautiful black Aseel this is indeed, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos of this incredibly big black Aseel. Love you all.
हर बंदा इसकी तरह